Nick Walker, you have just presented Lundin here at the DNB's Oil and Offshore conference. And starting off, given your tax position in Norway, you have, one can say you have incentives to buy producing assets. How do you consider the asset markets currently, and do you see any interesting opportunities?
Well, I think it's probably a buyer's market at the moment, and given the environment we're at, but we look very carefully. It's all about adding quality to our business. It's not about doing doing acquisitions to grow scale. It's about doing business acquisitions that fit with our strategy and allow us to progress our business going forward. So. We look at everything on an opportunistic basis, and of course we're not going to talk about anything we're looking at, but we look at everything that's up, and if there's something that feels right, we've got the capacity, the financial capability to do it. And yes, there are tax potential opportunities for us to do, but I don't think tax is the driver. I think it has to fit strategically with what we do for us to want to make an acquisition. But yes, we look at everything and we keep looking at things, and if the right thing comes along, we've got the capability to do it.
You have a relative conservative recovery rate assumption for the 2P reserves at the Edvard Grieg field. What measures could be taken to boost the recovery rate in the future here?
Well, we put a lot of effort into understanding the reservoir. You'll have seen that we had some success last year with some water injection wells that lifted the structure on the west of the field, and that added reserves. We're going to be drilling a southwest appraisal well on the field this year. And that has potential for significant resource additions. We'll spud that well very shortly. But we continue to look at infill opportunities. We have a big program of subsurface opportunities, and my expectation is I've got a feeling that the Edvard Grieg will grow in scale over time, just like many of the North Sea fields in Norway have over time. And we've already grown since the PDO times from 186 to 223 million barrels of reserves, and I think you should expect to see that grow further in the future.
Can you say something about what your hopes and expectations for the Korpefjell exploration well in the Barents Sea this summer?
Well, it's really exciting. I mean, this is the first time this acreage has been licensed, and they're great prospects. They're world class. You don't get to drill and be involved in drilling one of these many times in your career, and the scale of them's huge. They're big, but they're giant, and the area closure of Korpefjell is 3 or 4 times the scale of Johan Sverdrup. Now, it does carry risk. It's remote, and there's no nearby discoveries, but the prospects are big and exciting, and we're excited to see the result when the well's drilled in the middle of the year.
The majority of 2017 is still ahead of us. What will be your most important milestones this year?
Well, I think it's continuing to deliver what we said we're going to deliver. So production, costs, safety is really important because that underpins our business. But keeping our projects on track is also important because that delivers the future. And then delivering against our exciting exploration portfolio is the other key aspect. And I think you'll see some key wells get drilled this year. So I think those three components are what we need to deliver, and we're focused on.
Thank you very much, Nick. We're very happy with having you here presenting Lundin, and look forward to welcome you back next year, and also to follow the company going forward.
Thank you very much. It's a great conference, and it's good to be here. Thank you.